Hello everyone, welcome to ProLearner YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to import or use images inside React.js project. So first of all, we will open Visual Studio Code, and inside Visual Studio Code, we will open our React.js project in which we will need to use images. Okay. So after that, you will need to create a folder with the name of images or assets inside source folder. Okay, so I already created a for images folder, and inside it I import image already by the name of burger. Okay, so after that I will go to my component in which I will need to import image. Okay, so simply I just write import and give the name to the image whatever we want. Okay, so I will just want to give it a name of burger image. Okay, and now after that I will give it the path of that image. Okay, it's inside image and the image path. Okay, after that I will write a HTML tag of image, and inside source I will simply give it the burger image. Okay, and after that simply I will give the title as well. After that I will run this on localhost. I already run the npm start command. Okay, so I will go to my localhost. So here I refresh the page. Here you see the image show successfully. Okay, so that's it. This is all you need to know about how to use images in React.js. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.